Welcome all. Now we will see how to implement a XOR gate and XNOR gate using a NOR gate. First we will see a XOR gate using a NOR gate. Again here I will write the expression for XOR gate, that is A complement B plus AB complement. I will take double complement of the left hand side, that is A complement B plus AB complement, its double complement. Now if we here we have to convert this ANDing operation and this ANDing operation into a OR operation. So we will solve the one complement, that is A complement B, its complement into AB complement, its complement, and one more complement is there. I will take it as this. Now here I will apply De Morgan's theorem for this one, which will gives you A plus B complement into A complement plus B. This equation is written over here. Sorry. Now there is a ANDing operation in between these two terms, and there is one more complement is there. I will solve that complement so that this ANDing operation can be converted into a OR operation. If I solve this complement, I will get the expression, final expression like this. So in this expression there are two terms, that is A plus B complement, this is the one term, and A complement plus B complement is the second term. So in these two terms there are four variables, A and A complement, B and B complement. So using a NOR as a NOT, I can get A complement of A and B complement of B. Now I am having four variables, A complement, B complement. So to get this term I will use a NOR gate, that is A plus B complement, its complement. Here I am having a B complement and here is the A complement. I will connect this to this NOR gate, so I can get over here A plus B complement and its complement. Now to get this term I use another NOR gate. A complement is connected to this, and B, I will connect this B to here. So here I will get A complement plus B its complement. To get this whole term I will take another NOR gate. I will connect both these output to this one. Here I will get A plus B complement, its complement, plus a complement plus b its complement and its whole complement. Now to remove this complement, I will use another NOR gate as a NOT, which will finally give this expression. So we require 6 NOR gates to implement a XOR gate using a NOR gate. Now next we will see how to implement a XNOR gate using a NOR gate. Again I will write the boolean expression of a XNOR gate, that is y is equal to AB plus a complement b complement. Again I will take double complement of this. Now to convert ending operation in between AB and a complement b complement, I will solve one complement using De Morgan's theorem, which will give me this expression. Here I will apply De Morgan's theorem, which will give you AB complement into a complement b complement its complement and another complement. Apply De Morgan's theorem to this term, I will get a complement plus b complement. Apply De Morgan's theorem to this one, I will get a double complement plus b double complement. Here a double complement plus b double complement can be written as a plus b using double inversion law. So applying one complement, I got this expression a complement plus b complement into a plus b and its whole complement. Now to remove ending operation in between these two terms, I will apply again De Morgan's theorem. Applying De Morgan's theorem, I get this final expression, that is a complement plus b complement its complement plus a plus b complement. Now here I have two terms, this one and this one. I can get this boolean expression using NOR gate. Now there are again four variables a complement b complement. So I will use a NOR gate as a NOT. To get a complement, another NOR gate as a NOT. To get b complement. Now I am having a complement b complement. First we will get this term a complement plus b complement and its complement. For that I will use another NOR gate. I will connect a complement and b complement to this. So here I will get a complement plus b complement its complement. Now I have to get this term a plus b complement. So for that I will use another NOR gate. I will connect this a and this b to this gate. Here I will get a plus b complement. Now to add both these terms, I will use another NOR gate and connect this output to that NOR gate. So I can get the boolean expression over here is a complement plus b complement plus its complement plus a plus b complement their whole complement. Now I don't require this complement, so to remove this complement I can use another NOR gate as a NOT to get final expression of XOR gate. Here I will get the expression of XNOR gate. This is how we can convert or design a XNOR gate using a NOR gate. Here also we require a 6 NOR gates to implement the XNOR. These are the two examples for your practice which we have to realize using NOR gate only. Thank you.